Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rakib Mohammad Hasan. Today I'm going to solve two problems using what if condition in Microsoft Excel. What is if condition? If condition allows us to make logical comparison between a value and what we expect. If condition has two results. The first result is if your comparison is true, and the second result is if your comparison is false. So let us go to our first problem and solve it. As you can see, we have different ranges in the usage of our electricity unit. We have to calculate our bill amount and pay 10% of that regardless of the amount and calculate bill payable. So let us calculate our bill amount. We are going to use if function. At first, if C9 is less than or equal A2, which is 74, then we will have to multiply 50 into 3. Our next condition is if 50 is less than or equal 190, then 50 will be multiplied by 4. Our next condition here is if 50 is less than or equal 450, then we'll have to multiply 50 with 5. Our next condition here is if 50, sorry, I have to give first bracket, here. Our next condition here is if 50 is less than or equal 500, then we will have to multiply 50 with 6. And if our value is false, then we will have to multiply 50 with 7. Then we need to close our function using first bracket. We will need 4 first brackets since we have used 4 if condition. Then I'm going to press enter. As you can see, we have calculated our bill amount. In order to calculate the rest of the meters bill amount, we need to freeze the function. And except C9, we will have to freeze all of the function. Except that everything is constant. So let us freeze those functions. We need to freeze A2, then B2, then A3, then B3, then A4, then B4, then A5, then B5, then B6. Then I will press enter and double tap here. As you can see, all the bill amount in the different meters have been calculated. Then we need to calculate our bill payable. So 150, which is T9, will be multiplied by 10%. Sorry, this one. At first, 150, we have to use the sum function. Sum 150 plus 150 multiplied by 10%. Then we will close the function. Then press enter. As you can see, our bill payable here is 165. Okay. Then we will need to freeze this function also. And in order to freeze this function, we will need to freeze this function. And then, so let's do it. So we need to freeze V7 here only, and then press enter, and then press double tap in order to complete our amount payable. So that's all from me today. Thank you everyone for listening to my topic.